How do you clear a seltzer? I don't know. It's the first time I brewed one, but we're going to give it a go. So what we're going to do here today, guys, is that we're going to cold crash this bad boy. So this is the first seltzer I've ever brewed. I'm calling it swamp water seltzer because it's got a nice wine tint to it because I used the tap water. So the minerals with the yeast kind of give you this not this crystal clear, well, it's clear, it's just got a yellow tint to it, very much like wine look to it. But we're going to cold crash it, see what it does. The trick to cold crashing, you want to do it 2 to 3 days. But the key is, I've got a Danby freezer back here that I converted over to fridge temperatures with an Inkbird. So this is my kegerator. This is where I cold crash. So I'm going to drop it in there. But the big thing is with the airlock, you don't want to leave your airlock in because it'll suck the sanitizer down into the seltzer, which is no good. So what I've done is I've sanitized a sandwich bag. Could use tin foil, cling wrap, what have you, saran wrap. I don't have any of that crap, so we're using a sanitized sandwich bag. It's just a little hole where this airlock goes into. So we're just gonna wing it. I'm gonna tape that down somehow. I'm gonna get that in there, and I'm gonna put some tape on it. And it's really just to try to keep the oxygen out as well as any floaties, bad boys like that. And then I'm just gonna put some tape over it, and then we're gonna put her in the old kegerator for 2 to 3 days, and that's it, guys. That's as simple or as hard as cold crashing is. Definitely a strategy I use with beer, so I'm doing it with this as well. See if we can't get some of this more to drop out, but it is pretty clear. It's just got that different color to it. After that, I will then be I'm gonna bottle it, and I'll probably flavor it after it's bottled. I don't know. We'll see. I'm giving that some thought. So I can either flavor it in the bottle and then carbonate it, or I can wait and just make clear seltzer and just kind of flavor the glasses. We're gonna play it by ear. We'll see what I do when I get there. That's it, guys. So again, cold crash and seltzer, same as you would beer. Just cover that hole where the airlock was. Put it into it could be your fridge, could be your kegerator, what have you. Get it in there 2 to 3 days. Same idea. That's it. Any questions, feel free to drop me a message. And if you're new to brewing, I do have a 7-day beginner brewers boot camp as well. If you've been brewing for a while or you want to get into all grain brewing, I give away my top 5 best-selling recipes of mine personally from my brew pub. Both links will be under this video. That's what I got, guys. Have a great day. Yeah.